Right, short video. Quick tip for you budding engineers out there. Inspection, don't just look with your eyes. If you look at this bolt, it's worn 3/4 through. Okay, and there's some clues. Look where the washer sits on the thing, hanging right half out like that. There ought to be some clues when you see stuff like this that something's wrong. And I'll just show you what this bolt does. Bring you back in a second. Alright, what that bolt does is it goes through a hole similar to this one on the end of a cable and operates an arm, and you either get, with a flap inside the box, you either get cold air going in the front or hot air going in the back from here, and that goes up the carburetor as required to melt ice. This is an aircraft carburetor heat box. Now, the bolt that this is not the one that failed. It wasn't one of our regular customers that failed. That worn bolt actually wore a slot right through the end of this, or right through the end of the eye on the airbox here. Not this one, but another one. Came out, left the cable flapping around, this flapping around. The aircraft climbed out, developed ice in the carburetor because it was getting like half warm, half cold air, and he had to put it back on the ground. Now luckily he survived, but the point is, this linkage here, this bolt wherever it is, which is all worn out, should be inspected as part of the engine control system every 50 hours. Now they take thousands and thousands of hours to get like that. Well, alright, thousands, hundreds and hundreds of hours to get like that. That must have been looked at many times. But somebody probably just said, yeah, get somebody inside the cockpit, hot, cold, yeah, it's moving, it's working. My tip here is don't just look with your eyes, get hold of the thing and give it a wiggle. If it moves up and down and a yard forward and back in the hole, something's wrong. So inspection is not with the eyes, inspection is with the hands and fingers and touching things, feeling them, using the force. That's all. I'll show you a picture of the bracket that it escaped from, how worn it was. Thank you, good night.